This is the time to embark on a journey towards a sustainable future. To be loud about the need for change with the most silent force. Listen. Let nature speak. Let the rhythm drive you and inspire a movement. To protect what we depend on. Because change is no longer a question of if, just a matter of time. Introducing the new energy generation. The bold, the athletic, the powerful, and the original. Driven by nature, we move forward with the 2023 Kia Hybrid range.
Kia, movement